Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, fog lamps, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.